If you're wondering how to integrate CrankWheel with your CRM, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, we're going to walk through how to set up CrankWheel seamlessly with your CRM to streamline your sales and customer interactions. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make it work for your business, and yes, you can try CrankWheel for free with exclusive bonuses using the first link below. Stick around until the end for a special offer. Let's dive straight in. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your CrankWheel account. Once you're in, head over to the Settings section where you'll find the CRM Integrations tab. CrankWheel supports a variety of CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and others, so you'll want to select the one that matches your system. Next thing, if you're using Salesforce, for instance, you'll need to authenticate your account. CrankWheel will ask for permission to access your Salesforce data. Just click Approve. This ensures that CrankWheel can pull relevant customer data right into your dashboard. The third thing is syncing your data. After you've authenticated your CRM, CrankWheel will automatically sync your contact list and other relevant customer data. This is key because it allows you to see your leads and customers directly in your CrankWheel interface. No need to jump between tabs or tools. Everything you need is right in front of you. Next thing, once you've got your CRM integrated, you'll set up your preferences for how you'd like CrankWheel to behave with your leads. For example, you can configure CrankWheel to automatically start a screen share when a new customer reaches out. This can be a huge time saver, especially when you're working with multiple prospects at once. The fourth thing, don't forget to test your integration. CrankWheel makes it easy to test the connection between your CRM and CrankWheel to ensure everything's working properly. It only takes a few clicks to check if your data is syncing correctly, and you can even do a test run with one of your own contacts to see how the integration performs. Finally, once everything is set up, you can track your customer interactions directly from your CRM. This allows you to follow up quickly, keep detailed records, and understand which of your prospects are engaging with your CrankWheel presentations. And that's it. You've successfully integrated CrankWheel with your CRM, and you're ready to take your sales presentations to the next level. Remember, CrankWheel can be used for free with an exclusive bonus offer if you sign up using the first link below. And by the way, if you're serious about getting the most out of CrankWheel, don't miss the extended free trial offer at the end of the video. Thanks for watching and happy sales!